Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. It's official website so you can download the driver. Then right inside this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard and then hit enter B660 gaming XAX DDR4. After that search your motherboard on the websites and then click on the product. So this is your motherboard, just click on it, then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations processing. Guys, first download, after that show you installations. So audio driver, SD audio driver, and click to download. Chipset, serial driver, click to download. Management engine, this is also download. Then INF installer, and this is just click to download. Then LAN driver, click to download. LAN driver, internet driver, Ethernet driver, and VGA driver. So graphic driver, VGA driver, display driver you can say, and click to download. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver, download. So after you can see downloads all downloading and downloaded. After that I show you installations process. You open this folder where it is downloading, just click on this icon. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, we can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back. Then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back. Then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back. Then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back. And last one, graphic driver, just open it and the same select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver, this is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.